In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Rivals Discord server here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and actually back out of Rivals. You cannot do this while you're in the game. So hit the little Roblox icon up in the top left, hit leave, and then you essentially need to be on the game's homepage. The game's homepage looks something like this, so just select on the game, but don't hit play, and it'll put you in this thing that looks like this. From here, just scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is the little social section, and you're going to see a little Discord icon on here. Go ahead and select it, hit continue, and what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you to a web browser, like Google Chrome, for example, with the invite on here, where you just have to hit accept invite. Then it's going to redirect you into Discord, and you'll see that you are now in the Discord for Rivals, just like so. Now, you do have to verify. Simply go ahead and hit complete. And then, of course, go ahead and tick that you've read the rules, submit, and then hit update my roles in order to start that verification process. But, of course, once you go ahead and do that, you'll have access to the rest of the server, just like so. That's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.